Preach to ahead of my time, it won't work. My dad always say he don't understand me. My mom just fell like a secretary. They hate me for being me, so who should I be? A man, a woman, we come all degree. Mom says if only she go back in time, then all these problems wouldn't be mine. Praying to God, but I guess she declined. She's a 9, she's a 9. Praise be to God, I'm alive. We almost reached finish line. Fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Heart of my enemies, that's what it hurts. Funny thing is, instead of wanting me dead, now they want me to be bad. Think if I go back in time into history, things will be better. Like, maybe they're right, maybe I might. This could be different if that's what they like. How about I poison the haters on sight? Why? Well, I had to fight out easy. Give them for dinner and tell them to bite. If that's too easy, we can take their babies and burn them and call it a night. Constantly chasing us down, but we move out of town to a save. It's now and nowhere to be found.